Hello decorators! Welcome to DecorLab. In this video tutorial, we will be showing you how to create this amazing Easter display. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, let's prepare our balloons. In this video, we will be using the following colors: hot pink inside of the pearl white, black inside of the empowerment, blossom inside of the lilac, and we will finish it off with our balloon flowers made from lemonade color and pastel matte green color. First, let's prepare our balloons. Stuff them and inflate them. The sizes we are going to be using are 5-inch, 11-inch, and 17-inch. From the 17-inch balloon and 11-inch balloons, we will create mini garlands of each color, roughly 3 to 5 foot long. For that, we will be creating the juices, mixing the sizes, and then we'll put them together with the help of the 260. Our mini garlands are ready. We will also create 5-inch balloon fillers. We will create them as a dumbbell by connecting an end of a 260 to each side of it. Our balloons are ready. Now let's put our bases in place. Here we are using our Kiara boards painted in pink and lavender colors. We will place boards slightly overlapping each other and we'll leave a gap in between for our balloons. We are ready for balloons application. The idea here is to have our balloons to cascade down from a gap between the boards. We will be using a mountain bases and a 4-inch zip ties to create a hanging spots. Then simply thread the 260 through it and loop it around the balloon on the garland you want to attach. We will create a base garland going from top to bottom and add few clusters on the outer side to balance the look. Then we will create a width by adding mini garlands to sides, making it wider towards the floor. Alternating colors of the garland gives us an organic color block effect. Our garland is in place. Time to add our fillers. Just randomly add them around the garland to hide imperfections and give it a fluffy look. Isn't it gorgeous already? But we are not finished. Let's add some flowers to it. For that, we will inflate 5-inch balloons in colors lemonade. 5 of them we will tie together by the neck, and a 6th one will be a different color. In our case, it is pastel matte green. This is our flower center. We will loop a 260 and attach several flowers around our garland. A chair on top for our display are special elements. Here, we will apply a multi-layered vinyl image on a Kiara board and 2 mosaic eggs. And here you have it. And here you have it, an Easter-themed display. Here we went with traditional Easter colors, but you can play with the colors of it to make it fit your theme. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create, so make sure you tag DecorLab School when you're sharing your creations on social media. And I will see you in the next video.